So hi everybody, this is me, Rick, and I'm just walking back from my friend's house and I discovered birds everywhere, all over my front. Weird. Look at all these birds. What's going on? They're building some kind of nest. Look at all the birds in the tree. Look at all these birds. Birds, birds, birds. I mean, it's beautiful, but I've never seen so many birds in one area. God, look at all of those birds. This is kind of freaking me out. But on the other hand, it's pretty. It's just, what the hell? There must be 1,000 birds here, maybe 100. Holy crap. What are these guys doing? Oh my God, and it's winter. What the hell? It's like they're building a huge gigantic nest. This is a problem. I mean, it's a beautiful problem, but holy crap. They're not going very far. It's the weirdest thing. I'm just gonna stand here for a few more minutes and see what they're doing. This is incredible. Just watching to see what they're gonna do next. So it looks like they own this tree, and there's more going on in this tree, and then the one across the street, there's something going on there too. Like and I also noticed them in the backyard in the pine trees. So look, they're doing something. They're building gigantic nests, and I hope they're not doing it on top of my roof.